Vanakkam, welcome to Prakriti Living. Have you ever been in that place where you just cannot find things that you want? You are in a hurry and you just grab whatever you can lay your hands on. But sometimes you may also miss or lose something important. This is where the concept of decluttering comes in. Do not spend hours and hours to declutter. You don't have to. This will only bring frustration. Instead, choose any one area. For example, select a cupboard or a shelf to start with. Pull out everything from that shelf. Discard everything you do not need and keep only those that you really need and arrange them neatly. You will naturally move things to the right place in your home when you declutter. Once done, step back and see how good it looks. It will give you so much satisfaction and you will feel calmer. This will in turn motivate you to declutter more. Take for example these keys. They have been lying in the cupboard for decades now and I don't even remember which key are for what. Go through them carefully and keep only that you want. Be sure you do not throw away anything in a haste. Now for the stationery things that accumulate over a very short period of time. I didn't know I had so many unused pens lying around. I'm going to keep a few pens and give the rest away and discard those that do not work anymore. Declutter all the bills, poster covers, papers that you do not want. They occupy so much of your precious space. Here again, be sure you do not discard anything of value. Don't do it in a hurry. Take your time to go through everything carefully before disposing and tear them up before throwing them away for safety purposes. Give away clothes that no longer fit you or you are just tired of wearing them again and again. Donate them to people who need them, but ensure they are in good condition. Do not give worn out or torn clothes to anyone. Use them as scrap cloth for cleaning and dusting. Or if you are innovative, you can convert them to something useful that can be repurposed and used for some more time. I opened a closet which had random things like unused glasses, watch boxes, extra crayons and so on. By throwing away all the unwanted things, I have so much free area now. And now to these takeaway containers and PET bottles that we hoard in the belief that they may come to use sometime. They rarely do. If you are not convinced, just keep one or two of these and discard the rest. Decluttering has so many advantages. Your home will now function perfectly for you. You won't lose things as easily now as there are fewer things to look through. And so you will spend less time looking for things, and financially too, decluttering is very beneficial. You will spend less money replacing the things you cannot find. You will start to say no to things that don't matter any longer to you, because you now realize the value of the space and how much of your time and effort are being used every day in cleaning. Your home will now be a heaven rather than a stress. A beautiful organized home is always so inviting and good to look at. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe, and happy decluttering. Thank you.